Good morning, Philippines. This is DYRS Broadcasting Station on your radio. Ay, ito ang DYRS Balitang Bayan. Ginawa. Halika na. Nasa DYRS ka na. Nagbabalita. At serbisyong tapat. Kasama mo, kabalita mo. DYRS Broadcasting Station. Go. Good day to all the people listening on the radios across the country. I'm DJ Jen.
I'm DJ Rizal Joy.
And I am DJ Rhapsody. We are all DYRS Broadcasting Station.
We're gonna start our news for today. A car accident had occurred in Candan City, Ilocos Sur. 3 people were dead and 6 were wounded after 9 vehicles created a car accident on Sunday.
A footage on CCTV where an SUV hit two motorcycle in front of it was
And in another CCTV video, a motorcycle was hit and another footage.
Another different victim was hit by the same vehicle who was riding on another SUV.
After that the SUV hit another car again. A senior citizen who was just peacefully standing alongside the road was also hit.
The police said that the driver was drunk and was also an employer of Candorn City Hall.
In a Donor Deals, a barangay Tanod died after the suspect stabbed him because the suspect was caught stealing an e-bike.
The incident happened in London, Manila, and early morning last Sunday.
Some moment later, Barangay Tanod of Barangay 281 started following him.
One barangay Tanod, however, who was riding on a bike, did not give up on following the suspect, even when he let go of the e-bike.
Nakasing continue on TJ Street.
When the two reside a corner, the suspect stabbed the Barangay Tanod.
The wounded victim started running towards his fellow barangay Tanod to death. Was taken into hospital, but before they arrived, he was already dead. The suspect was arrested and was actually also arrested before because of illegal smuggling. The ORS will be right back after a reminder. Rob De Los Santos, bakit hindi ka nakikisama sa talakayan?
Ay kasi natatakot po ako.
Huwag kang matakot, magbahagi ng iyong kaalaman, iyong talino, susi para ang palalang ito ay atid sa inyo ng tiped at ng impelang ito. That is our broadcasting project for today. We are Group 4 and we are done with our broadcasting.
Okay, congratulations. Clap your hands.